one. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Home Care OT. My name is Maddie. I am an occupational therapist and owner of Threshold Therapeutic. We are continuing with our self-care series on items that may be included in your hip kit. Today I'm here to talk to you about shoehorns, specifically long-handled shoehorns. Long-handled shoehorns are shoehorns that are long. They are designed to help someone put on their shoes if there was a restriction where they've been told due to a back injury or a hip replacement to not bend past 90 degrees. The extra long length of the shoehorn allows you to put on your shoes without having to bend down. If you had a shorter shoehorn, you would still have to bend past that 90-degree angle. So let me show you how to use it. Step one is to get your shoes to the location where you can put them on, preferably seated. Option one, you can take your shoehorn and kind of fish it in there and try to drag it along the floor to get it over there. Or if you own a reacher, you can also take this moment here to grab your reacher and set your shoes up in a position to get them on. So once you have your shoes set, no matter which way you try to get them over there, there are a couple ways you can go about putting your shoes on. It depends on the flexibility of your ankles, how your legs move, how things work for you. Regardless of how you do this, it's always going to be a little easier if your shoes are a little on the looser end, or if they have elastic shoelaces, we'll talk about that in a future video, that allow some stretch to help get your foot on there, especially if you have swelling or edema in your feet. So option one of getting the shoes in there is first take your toes and wiggle those into the shoe to get you started. So now that I have my toes in, I'm going to take my long-handled shoehorn, and as you'll notice in this video, I am not going to do any bending as I do this. I like to put the shoehorn in on the side of my foot and then work it around to the back, and then simply slide my foot down into the shoe that way. That's option one. Option two is put the shoehorn in the shoe first, line it up with the back of the heel, and then take your foot, wiggle it in there, and then slide your heel down the back of the shoehorn. Either way, whatever works for you, the long-handled shoehorn is going to enable you to put those shoes on without having to bend. It is also helpful, you can use the shoehorn to get your shoes off. So simply take your shoehorn, slide it down into your shoe, and just apply some downward pressure as you pull your foot out and move that out of the way. Again, we put the shoehorn in, apply downward pressure as you work your foot out. That's how you use long-handled shoehorns. For tips and tricks on how to use other items in your hip kit, please feel free to check out our other videos. Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks so much for watching the Home Care OT. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with our content. And for more information, head on over to our blog at thresholdot.com.